Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode on Mr. English Vibes, the place where learning English is not only easy, but also super fun. I'm Sarah, your host for today.
And I'm Daniel. It's great to be here with you, Sarah. And of course, a warm hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
Hello, Daniel. You look full of energy today. How are you feeling?
Thank you, Sarah. I'm feeling fantastic, really energized and in a great mood. And how about you? How's your day going?
I'm doing great too. I'm full of energy, excited, and ready to dive into another fun topic.
That's awesome to hear. Energy is definitely a good thing, especially when we're about to talk about something as important as today's topic.
Absolutely. Since we're both feeling so well today, we thought this would be the perfect time to talk about a very important part of our lives, health.
Health. That's such a powerful topic. So important in our daily lives and also a great opportunity to learn useful English vocabulary.
But before we get started,
We'd like to remind our wonderful listeners to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
yes. And if you enjoy this episode, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.
Every like, comment, and share helps us grow and reach more English learners like you.
Thank you for your support. We truly appreciate it.
Let's dive into today's topic, health.
So, Daniel, when we think of health, where should we begin?
Let's begin with something we've all experienced, going to the doctor.
Perfect place to start. When we feel unwell, the first thing we usually do is visit a doctor or go to a hospital.
Exactly. A hospital is a big place where many doctors and nurses work together to help people feel better.
Do you like going to the doctor, Daniel?
I wouldn't say I love it, but I definitely go when I need to. I understand how important it is. Doctors help us recover and stay healthy.
Same here. I go when I feel sick or when I have a cold. You know, when your nose is stuffy, your head feels heavy, and you just want to lie in bed.
Oh, yes, the common cold. It makes you feel really tired and uncomfortable. That's when it's time to see the doctor and say, I think I have a cold.
Absolutely. And doctors are usually very kind and helpful. They ask questions like, how do you feel?
Right. That's a useful phrase to remember. How do you feel? You can respond with phrases like, I feel sick. I feel tired. Or be specific. My head hurts. Or my stomach hurts.
Exactly. And these are very common ways to describe how you're feeling when you're not well.
You know, Sarah, I remember one time when I had a really bad cold. It was awful.
Oh no, what happened?
I felt extremely tired. My head was pounding, a terrible headache. I went to the doctor and said, Doctor, I feel really sick.
And what did the doctor say?
He was very professional and calm. He checked my eyes, ears, and throat and explained that I needed to rest, drink plenty of water, and get good sleep.
That's great advice. Sometimes simple things like water and rest make all the difference.
Exactly. In just a couple of days, I felt much better.
Now, what about the dentist? Speaking of doctors, let's not forget about the dentist, the doctor for our teeth.
Right. I go to the dentist once a year for a checkup. That means the dentist checks my teeth just to make sure everything is okay.
That's very important. A healthy smile goes a long way. What happens at your checkup?
The dentist usually says the famous line, please open your mouth, and then carefully looks at my teeth. If everything looks good, she tells me, well done, keep brushing your teeth twice a day.
Brushing in the morning and at night. Very simple, but very effective.
Absolutely.
So we've talked about visiting the doctor or dentist, but what can we do every day to stay healthy?
Great question. For me,
It's all about exercise.
Yes, let's talk about that. Do you go to the gym, Daniel?
Actually, I prefer exercising outdoors. I enjoy running in the park, fresh air, birds chirping. It's peaceful and refreshing.
That sounds amazing. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I walk fast on the treadmill, sometimes lift small weights, and always bring a bottle of water.
That's fantastic. I love how exercise makes me feel tired, but in a good way. It gives me energy, makes me stronger, and even improves my mood.
Same here. And don't forget, even walking for 20 to 30 minutes can make a big difference.
Let's talk about food. Okay, Sarah, what's one of the best ways to stay healthy?
I'm thinking of something yummy. Are you ready for it?
Let me guess, healthy food?
Exactly. What we eat has a huge impact on our health.
I couldn't agree more. I love fruit. Bananas are my favorite, full of energy and easy to take on the go.
I love apples, especially red ones. They're sweet, crunchy, and very good for you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
That's a classic saying, and very true. What about vegetables?
I'm a big fan of carrots and broccoli, the little green trees, and I love a fresh salad for lunch.
Vegetables are amazing for your body, and they help your skin, eyes, and even your brain. Mealtime habits.
Let's talk meals. What's your usual breakfast, Daniel?
I usually have eggs, a slice of toast, and a glass of fresh orange juice.
That sounds perfect. I like yogurt with fresh fruit. It's light, healthy, and gives me energy.
And for dinner, I usually go with something healthy like grilled chicken or fish and a side of vegetables.
Same here. A balanced dinner helps me sleep better and feel more energetic the next day.
What about unhealthy foods? Let's talk about food. Okay, Sarah, what's one of the best ways to stay healthy?
I'm thinking of something yummy. Are you ready for it?
Let me guess. Healthy food?
Exactly. What we eat has a huge impact on our health.
I couldn't agree more. I love fruit. Bananas are my favorite. Full of energy and easy to take on the go.
I love apples, especially red ones. They're sweet, crunchy, and very good for you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
That's a classic saying and very true. What about vegetables?
I'm a big fan of carrots and broccoli, the little green trees, and I love a fresh salad for lunch.
Vegetables are amazing for your body, and they help your skin, eyes, and even your brain.
Mealtime habits.
Let's talk meals. What's your usual breakfast, Daniel? I usually have eggs, a slice of toast, and a glass of fresh orange juice.
That sounds perfect. I like yogurt with fresh fruit. It's light, healthy, and gives me energy.
And for dinner, I usually go with something healthy, like grilled chicken or fish and a side of vegetables.
Same here. A balanced dinner helps me sleep better and feel more energetic the next day.
Now, let's be honest. We all love a sweet treat sometimes. What's your guilty pleasure?
Chocolate ice cream, my absolute favorite.
Mine too. But it's all about balance, right?
Yes, it's okay to have a small treat on special occasions, just not every day.
Exactly. A healthy life isn't about saying no to everything. It's about making better choices most of the time.
Quick review. Let's do a quick review of what we learned today. Visit the doctor when you're sick. Say things like, I have a headache, or I feel tired. Exercise regularly, at the gym or outside. Find what you love. Eat healthy foods, fruits, vegetables, protein, and drink lots of water. And yes, enjoy a treat now and then, because being happy is part of being healthy.
Final words. Wow, what a great conversation, Sarah. I feel healthier just talking about it.
Same here, Daniel. Being healthy isn't difficult. Just a few good habits can change your life.
To all our amazing listeners, thank you for joining us today on Mr. English Vibes.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with friends. And
We want to hear from you. What's one healthy thing you do every day?
leave us a comment below. Do you eat fruit? Do you take walks? Do you dance?
Whatever it is, share with us. Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives.
Thanks again for being here. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay active, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode of Mr. English Vibes.